Hello there, let's talk today about the Eufy camera watermark. So if you want to remove the watermark that's here or bring it back, this video is for you, right? As you can see, the watermark is not available on my camera. I have the SoloCam S340 because I just removed. So you just need to come here to the three dots and then settings. And here on video settings, you see the watermark, right? Right now I have timestamp, which means it's going to show only date and time back there. And if I want to have the logo, I can just click here, timestamp and logo, right? Or if I don't want any of those, I can just select here off, no timestamp and no logo, right? Let me just leave like this, timestamp and logo, and come back to the main screen. And now when I type here, you see that I have the Eufy logo on the top and the timestamp here on the right side, right? So pretty easy like this. You can enable and disable the logo here or the watermark, right? And I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here. Consider subscribing to this channel, and I see you in the next video.